this afternoon we're gonna make a damper in the camp oven over the fire, over the coal. So that's the first time we try that out. So I made the bread dough. The bread dough is here. That's basically multigrain flour with some seeds in it, flax seeds, sunflower seeds and some other seeds, with some yeast and water, salt and sugar, and let it sit for 2 hours until it doubles in size, and now it's ready to be put in the camp oven and over the coals. Put that in here. Hopefully we will be able to get it back out, but that's in here with the lid on it, and it's ready. You will find the recipe on our website for this bread if it turns out good. So I think that's enough. Okay, now that has to be there cooking for probably 30 to 40 minutes. We have a look at 30 minutes how it looks like. Huh? So we are going to have a sneak peek how the bread is going along. If it's already burnt, it wouldn't be good. So we'll just have a quick look. Oh, it looks good, but still can be another 10 minutes, I guess. So that is the finished product. A nice bread. We're gonna have to dinner tonight. So it's great. Thank you for watching. We hope you have enjoyed this episode. We really appreciate your support. Please do like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below. See you later.
Alligator.